Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Philips stereo radio recorder which I am going to tear down. The model number is RR485. You can see here RR485 stereo radio recorder. So full auto stop, one touch recording, AC DC operation. This has FM as well, MW and SW as well. Alright, without wasting any time, let's start tearing this down. So to tear this down, we have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and here is the 8th one, and there will be 2 screws here as well to take out this upper cover. So without wasting time, let's start tearing this down. So first of all, I am going to take out this top panel. Three screws here, then 2 from front side. So totally 5 screws I have taken out as of now, and these 2 knobs I have to take out here to pull this. So this is the top panel which has come out now, and I will keep this separately. This is the top look of this cassette recorder. So alright, now let's take out the back cover. So alright. So I have taken all the screws. Now it's time to take out this back cover. That's it. That's it. So this is the FM tuning knob. I'm keeping this separately. So this is the internal look, as you can see. Let's see. So this is the main AC transformer. So this cassette recorder works in AC transformer here, and this has audio cassette mechanism. As you can see, this is the mechanism here. You can see it is working like this, and this section is for FM, MW, all those things, radio frequencies, and this is the main motherboard here, and this is the board for stereo headphones out. So this has 2 speakers here of 4 inches. Can you see here? The diameter of the speaker is 4 inches. This is stereo, so this has 2 speakers here. And so now let's take this cassette mechanism out and see what is there behind. So for that we have to take out only 4 screws. That's it. Now I am taking out this cassette mechanism. This is the back side. This has pretty heavy motor here, showing close up. So this is the main wheel here. The belt is weak here, and This is the front look, this is the back side of the mechanism. I'm not going to take out these motherboards, so there will be few components on the other side, that's it. So as of now I'm going to put this back. I just wanted to see what is there inside this tape recorder. Alright, now let's put this back. So let's tighten this cassette mechanism. Alright, now I'm going to cover this as well. Before covering this, we have to put this radio controller here, like this. That's, knob is fixed. Now just we have to tighten our screws. I'll put the screws first here in the hole. Alright, now let's tighten it. So this works in R14 batteries as well. 4 batteries will be connected here in series, so 6 volts. So this will work in 6 volt, and this works in 230 volts mains as well. So as you have seen, there is a 6 volts AC transformer, the step down transformer, which takes in 230 volts AC mains, and the other side, secondary side, it gives 6 volts main, 6 volts AC. So that works in that as well. Alright, now this cover is fixed, back cover is fixed. Now it's time to put the top cover here. To put this top cover, I'm going to place this like, that's it. Now there is 2 screws in the front side, which I will screw it now. Alright, now let's put the knob here. Done. Now let's put these 3 screws on this top panel. So that's it. The final thing is we have to put this battery housing cover. So alright, this is the tear down and looking inside. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon. And if you have any queries, please do write comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.